Drones have become increasingly popular for capturing breathtaking aerial images, catering to both beginners and professional photographers. Apart from their photography capabilities, they also offer an enjoyable flying experience. Whether you're interested in creating stunning bird's-eye view videos or simply view drones as contemporary model airplanes for recreational flying, there's a perfect quadcopter for your every need. After thorough research, here are the top 5 best drones in 2024. Starting off our list at number 5 is the DJI Mini4. Known for its incredible portability and ease of use, this drone is perfect for beginners and casual flyers, with upgraded features from its predecessor. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance. The DJI Mini4 isn't just an upgrade to its predecessors. It's a revolution in pocket-sized drones. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch, offering creators a versatile tool to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. The Mini4 is the world's first drone designed specifically for TikTok. Its innovative 90-degree rotating camera lets you capture vertical video seamlessly, perfect for showcasing your creativity on the go. Imagine a drone that practically flies itself. The Mini4 advanced object tracking and obstacle avoidance system make it one of the safest and easiest drones to fly, even for beginners. Tri-directional sensors shield from unforeseen obstacles, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. With its extended battery, the Mini4 boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time, letting you explore more and capture more breathtaking footage in a single session. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to limitless creative freedom. The Mini4 doesn't compromise on quality. Its 460 fps camera captures stunningly sharp and vibrant video, ideal for social media and even professional projects. And with the improved D-Cine-like mode offering 10-bit recording, you'll have greater control over color grading for a truly cinematic look. The Mini4 is an unparalleled combination of portability, performance, and innovation, making it a worthwhile investment for any serious creator. Coming in at number 4 is the Autel Evol. This drone stands out with its impressive camera system, delivering stunning 6 footage and intelligent shooting modes. If you're serious about capturing cinematic aerial shots, the Evol is a solid choice. Autel has thrown down the gauntlet with the Evol, a drone boasting specifications that rival even DJI's top models. This review explores its strengths and weaknesses, comparing it directly to the industry leader. The Evol captures stunning 5-point video at 30 fps and 4K at 6 fps using a 1-inch sensor, showcasing impressive low-light performance. Its variable aperture camera and 40-minute flight time put it ahead of many DJI offerings. Autel's drone sports a distinctive look, departing from the familiar DJI design language. The foldable design and controller resemble a game controller, appealing to a younger generation of users. The lights boasts impressive power, allowing for precise control and dramatic maneuvers. Its climb rate of 29 km/h ensures rapid elevation changes, while the 12 km radio range offers ample freedom for exploration. This drone excels in low-light conditions, offering unique night photography and videography modes. Boosting the ISO up to 64,000 while maintaining acceptable noise levels empowers users to capture stunning nighttime visuals. Autel's entry into the market challenges DJI's dominance, fostering healthy competition and encouraging innovation. The light demonstrably proves Autel's ability to produce hardware that rivals DJI's best. The Autel Evol is a compelling alternative to DJI drones. Its impressive specs, unique design, and powerful performance make it a strong contender in the market. While some may prefer the familiar DJI ecosystem, the Lite offers a fresh perspective and competitive edge for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Our number 3 pick is the DJI Air3. Known for its smart features and obstacle avoidance technology, the Air3 is a reliable and user-friendly drone. The DJI Air3 sets a new standard for mid-range drones with its innovative dual camera system and impressive flight performance. The Air3 features both a wide-angle and a 70mm equivalent telephoto camera, providing new creative possibilities. While the zoom lens might not seem essential at first, it allows you to capture distant subjects safely and legally, making it ideal for events, wildlife photography, and even active volcanoes. DJI's renowned safety features shine in the Air3. omnidirectional obstacle sensing, APAS 5.0 anti-collision, and advanced return to home ensure safe and confident flying. The powerful 4,241 mAh battery delivers a remarkable 46 minutes of flight time, making it ideal for extended shots. With features like active track, night mode, and fork footage on both lenses, the Air 3 empowers you to capture stunning visuals in various conditions. The next-generation DJI 4 transmission system ensures a stable 1080x live feed even at distances up to 20 km. The Air 3 builds upon the success of the Air 2S with its marathon battery life, stress-free flying experience, and dual camera setup. The telephoto lens adds a unique cinematic perspective, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial imagery. The DJI Air 3 is an impressive mid-range drone that packs a punch. Its dual camera system, long flight time, and advanced safety features make it a compelling choice for photographers and videographers of all skill levels. If you're looking for a powerful drone with outstanding image quality and creative potential, the Air 3 is a top contender. Breaking into the top two, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This drone is a game changer with its Hasselblad camera, delivering professional-grade photos and videos. The Mavic 3 Pro takes aerial photography to new heights. Pro sets a new standard for pocket-sized drones, offering exceptional image quality, advanced collision avoidance, and enhanced video capabilities. It retains the iconic DJI Mini series design with its compact and foldable form factor. The key visual difference lies in the addition of omnidirectional collision avoidance sensors and an auxiliary light, enhancing flight safety and navigation. Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems (APAS) provide additional confidence during flight, while the Bypass Nifty mode allows for controlled maneuvers in complex environments. Active Attract 360° features improved subject tracking, ensuring your shots remain focused on your chosen target. The Lightcut app empowers users to create AI-edited videos effortlessly, perfect for quick and creative content generation. The addition of HLG HDR and D-Log M-Profile files provides greater flexibility for post-production editing. The DJI is the best sub-250G drone available today. Its exceptional image quality, advanced safety features, and comprehensive video capabilities make it a compelling choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. Whether you're looking for your first drone or an upgrade from an older model, Pro delivers an outstanding experience. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the DJI Mini4 Pro. Combining the best of both worlds, portability and advanced features, this drone is a true marvel. With improved camera capabilities and extended flight time, it's the go-to choice for anyone demanding the best. DJI has once again pushed the boundaries of small drone technology with the Mini4 Pro. This impressive sub-250D drone boasts a range of new features that elevate it to the top of its class. The Mini4 Pro introduces omnidirectional obstacle sensors, eliminating blind spots and ensuring safer flight in complex environments. This feature, combined with Active Track 360 and the Trace Wheel, delivers smooth and automated tracking of your chosen subject. The Mini4 Pro features a revamped UI with augmented reality elements, simplifying tasks like finding the takeoff point and visualizing flight paths. Additionally, Night Shots video mode and an LED landing light enhance nighttime performance and landings. DJI's OVAR video transmission system provides a clear and stable live feed even at distances exceeding 12 miles, making the updated RC2 controller with its fold-out antenna a valuable option. While the standard flight time remains around 20-25 minutes, the Mini4 Pro offers an additional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus option that extends flight time to 46 minutes, albeit exceeding the sub-250 weight limit in some regions. DJI's Mini4 Pro delivers exceptional image quality, unparalleled safety features, and comprehensive video capability. With its numerous upgrades, including omnidirectional obstacle detection, powerful tracking capabilities, improved UI, and extended range, the Mini4 Pro sets a new benchmark for sub-250 drones. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual enthusiast, this drone offers an unparalleled combination of performance and portability, making it our top choice of the best drones in 2024. And there you have it, our top 5 best drones of 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these drones offer something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tech reviews. Until next time, fly high and stay tech.